Alright, there it is. One sweet potato. Actually, that's 3 sweet potato plants. Alright.
There are some days that look so bright.
There are some lies that seem so dark.
How could you walk against the wind?
How could you stop the earth go round?
You never know which road to take.
One never knows which way goes down.
Will you get backwards to the shore?
Are you ready for the fight?
Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Fellini. Okay, I got a lot from that first plant. Let's see what's in the second plant. Okay, I can already see a big one right here. This pot planter was in more shade a little bit of these flowers over here than the other planter, so I'm curious to see how that affected the size of the growth of the sweet potatoes. Wow. Was it better for them? Because this is a huge sweet potato compared to most of what I get.
Some ways you cannot play.
There are some thoughts you cannot tell.
You can howl out every day.
Tonight you will not sleep at all.
Someone inside you have will roll
How far can you run in the dark?
until you crash into a wall.
Wow. Look at that. Looks like a GI track or something. So this is how we fared. By the way, check out this gorgeous lettuce. It is just looking beautiful. I noticed it was frozen looking this morning when there was frost settled on it, but it looks to be okay now. So I guess this lettuce is okay with frost, some frost maybe. It wasn't a hard freeze, I don't think, but it was close to 32, so hopefully we'll get at least one harvest out of this guy. Alrighty, so this is my last potato plant, and I'm gonna see if there's any salvageable potatoes left after the frost. Actually, there's more than one plant here too, by the way. Okay, so this is how we fared. This planter is full of sweet potatoes, so that is awesome. Let's weigh it. Okay, let's see. I know it's hard to see my scale here, but I'm going ahead and turn on the power with our sieve on top. Let's do our potatoes first. Oh, because I think that'll just be easier. And this isn't how much I got for the whole season, because I did harvest my other half barrel planter a while ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, so But we got 2 pounds and 7 ounces, 7.7 ounces, so that's super exciting. That's 2 pounds more of potatoes than I would have had. Okay, now we're getting dirt all over the place. Good job. Oh, but there's a broom like right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm really glad I picked these sweet potatoes when I did, because they might have, gone bad with this weather. Okay, this is 4 pounds, 1 ounce. I'm gonna dump them so I can measure again. I should have done this outside because I'm making a mess. All right, and then there we have another 4 pounds. So a total of 8 pounds of sweet potatoes, not too shabby. Got a couple left in there, but I'm just gonna leave them out. They're a little too straggly. Okay, there you have it. 8 pounds of sweet potatoes, 2 pounds of potatoes. I liked the red potatoes. They seem to get the biggest. Even though I love those golden potatoes, the red ones did the best. I did all of my potatoes in homegrown compost mixed with native soil, which the native soil is quite poor. Also mixed with some recycled potting soil from last year or the year before that. I'm not sure. Really just for the consistency of it, for the medium, so they can get through. So something about that second sweet potato planter that I opened up had way bigger potatoes, and I think that there might have been some crowding going on in the first one that I did, but that was odd because each plant seemed to put out more potatoes. It was strange. The second planter put out fewer but bigger sweet potatoes, and the first planter put out more but smaller sweet potatoes. So I'm not sure why that happened, but it's interesting nonetheless. I'm so excited. I was not expecting anything. I made those sweet potato slips. I paid $3 for a seed potato, but every potato, as long as it's organic, that's a regular old sweet potato in the store I could have done the same thing with, because you buy the seed potato, which is a regular sweet potato, and it's like, okay, now cut it in half and grow slips. So you really have to do the same amount of work with a nursery purchased seed potato, but as you would have to do with a store-bought organic sweet potato, because you still have to grow slips from both of those, and that's a pretty involved process. So not worth I definitely learned not to buy my sweet potato at a nursery, that's for sure. But yeah, these plants really churned it out. I wish my regular potato plants had done that, because I eat loads and loads of potatoes. I probably go through 15 pounds of potatoes a week, so by myself. So next year I will definitely be planting more of those, and probably the red potato variety, because they yielded more. However, I think enriching the soil more in general will also help me out with my potato yields. So that's something that I'll look to do in the future for the garden overall, is just enriching the soil. Okay, thanks guys. Talk to you later.